In this video, I will show you how to fix in case your Philips remote control, the one for your soundbar, is not working properly. So how do you fix it? Step number one is to disconnect your soundbar and subwoofer from the wall outlet. Alright, so go ahead, disconnect them. Then we'll go on the back of the remote and we're gonna remove the batteries, both of them. And I suggest replacing them with brand new ones. Sometimes this is the issue, even if let's say it's a new device, you never know how many years these batteries stayed before being used in the remote, so just throw a pair of new ones. But for now, leave the battery out and we're gonna press the power button here during 30 seconds. We're gonna drain all the excess energy from the remote control. After 30 seconds, what I suggest is that you're gonna press every single button from the remote control very hard during 5 seconds. Okay, like this, very hard. And this one. Why we're doing this? It's because over time, you're gonna have lint, dust, even dirt that goes under those buttons. And if one of these buttons is not making a proper contact, the whole remote control will stop working. So it's very important for you to, by pressing this very hard, to dislodge any dirt, any hair that may be behind one of these buttons that forbids the remote control to work properly. You can even use your thumb and just press really hard. All right, at the end, once you did this, put back the batteries. Again, a pair of new batteries will not hurt. Just like that. Plug back the soundbar in the power outlet and power on the soundbar with the button over here or with the button on it. Fortunately, after doing this, you won't have any issues and everything will work back again. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.